If you're seeing a Google Drive error 502, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your files as quickly as possible. A 502 error is usually temporary, but it can also be caused by browser problems, cached data, extensions, VPNs, or even a network issue. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact process to troubleshoot it properly. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, refresh Google Drive. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl+R to reload the page. On a Mac, use Command+R. A simple refresh often clears a temporary server glitch and gets Drive working again right away. If that doesn't work, the next step is to wait a few minutes and try again later. Close Google Drive completely, give it a short break, then reopen it. A 502 error is often caused by a temporary Google side issue, so sometimes the best fix is just letting the service recover on its own. Now let's move on to browser data. If the error keeps happening, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Cached Images and Files, then clear them and restart your browser. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with Google Drive loading properly, so this step often solves the problem when a refresh does not. Next, try using Incognito mode. In Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private window, then sign into Google Drive again. Incognito mode disables many extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session, which makes it a great way to check whether the issue is being caused by a browser add-on or a damaged session. If Drive works in Incognito, that is a strong sign that something in your normal browser setup is causing the error 502. After that, temporarily disable VPNs and browser extensions. Turn off any VPN service you have running, and pause extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons. These tools can sometimes interfere with Google's connection and trigger loading errors. Once you disable them, go back to Google Drive and test it again. If it loads normally, you'll know one of those tools was the problem. Another important fix is trying a different network. Restart your router or switch to a mobile hotspot if you can. Network routing problems can sometimes cause a 502 error, even when everything else is fine. Testing another connection helps you figure out whether the issue is with your internet path rather than Google Drive itself. And if you're still stuck, sign out of your Google account and sign back in again. This refreshes your Google session and can clear authentication problems that stop Drive from loading correctly. After signing back in, open Google Drive once more and check if the error is gone. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the problem. Most Google Drive error 502 issues are temporary and can be fixed by refreshing, clearing browser data, testing incognito mode, disabling extensions or VPNs, switching networks, or signing in again. If the video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.